excellent sets and 4 points. Gaf, before anything, I just want to say na after your win today, you are already going straight to the PVL Invitational Finals. It's back-to-back finals appearances for PLDT. Pero let's talk about the game muna. Tell me about set 2 and set 3. Nararamdaman ko yung tension and pressure between PLDT and Kobe. What was going through your mind?
Sa amin naman, alam naman namin at alam nating lahat kung paano lumaban yung Japan. Madepensa talaga, madisiplina. So, sa part namin, kailangan pa rin namin gawin yung trabaho namin at double time yung disiplina pa rin, tsaka respeto sa kalaban. Yun talaga.
And now, back-to-back finals appearances. You haven't lost yet since July. Tell me what this means to you, especially after your first championship in your franchise.
Siyempre para sa amin masaya. And yun nga, back-to-back na finals appearance. So, yung momentum talagang nasa amin at sana magtuloy-tuloy siya.
All right, is there anyone you want to give messages to? Greetings, go ahead.
Hi sa pamilya ko sa Batangas, Mami, Daddy, Kika, Rayleigh, hello, and kay Tita Madel, kay Tita Joanne, kay Mites. Thank you.
All right, congratulations once again, Kim Fajardo. The PLDT high-speed hitters, 19 excellent sets, 4 points. Let's wrap it up, woman.
Well, she distributed.